We are doing very well this, and during this class we are going to see how to download and install Sublime Text 3. I have to clarify that it is not absolutely required to use Sublime Text 3. You can use the code editor that you prefer, Atom, PHP Store, NetBeans, or whatever other code editor which you feel comfortable with. During this course we are going to use Sublime Text 3 because it provides us a lot of add-ons that we can use, and of course during the classes I will show you how to use some of the features of Sublime Text 3 in order to be more productive and implement our RESTful API in an easy way. Again, feel free to install the code editor which you feel comfortable with and go ahead with the course. In the case that you want to use Sublime Text 3, so we just need to go and search for it. Go to the loadout section and you can select your operating system for the installation. In the case of Windows, we have the 32-bit and the 64-bit. Additionally, for Windows, we have the portable versions. I usually recommend to use the portable version because it's going to allow you to use your Sublime Text installation with your packages and your configurations in whatever place that you want. If you are using a pen drive, a USB, or inclusive if you have it on Google Drive or Dropbox or similar services. So if you want to use that possibilities, I recommend you the portable version. So just extracting the folder, and inside we can see the Sublime executable. In the future classes, we are going to see how to configure Sublime Text 3 and how to use it in the best way for this course. So we are down here. See you in the next class.